In this question I have to print this pattern. So this is very simple question of pattern printing. Here I have to use for loops and nested for loops. Okay, and when for loops run, this will print n rows, first rows, second rows, third rows, fourth rows. Okay, so this one will be outer loop. Nested loops, this will print each star, okay, from 1 to n. This star will be start from 1 to n. Okay, so here we write program. So here we take, let's say n is equal to 3, and after this, no, we have to take n is equal to 4, like this pattern. Okay, and after this we apply for loop, and here we initialize I is equal to 1, because this loop will be start from 1, and this will print rows. Okay, this will count each rows. Okay, and here we will take I should be less than equal to n, and after this we apply I plus plus for increment, and after this we have to apply one more for loop, which will be nested for loop. Okay, so when first iteration will come of outer loop, then this will print these stars. Okay, and these stars will be start from, let's say j is equal to 1. Why we take j? Because we already used I in the outer loop, and after taking j we have to apply condition that j should be less than equal to n. Okay, because you can see that for each rows there are present stars from 1 to n. So this loop will print stars from 1 to n. Okay, and after this we increment j by 1, and here we print stars. Okay, how we can print stars? We use process dot stdout dot write. Why we take this method? Basically this method will print stars in the same line, so that we use this method in place of console log. Okay. And here we add a star, and after this we have to add a space also. So for the each iteration of outer loop, this loop will be run. For each iteration, this loop will print these stars, which will start from 1 to nth element. Okay, and after this we have to add one more thing, which is console log. Why we add console log? Because after print each rows, this will move into the next rows. Okay, so for this we print console.log. Okay, and now we can run command and we can see the output. Okay, here we can take, let's say n is equal to 6, and this will print 6 stars square.